is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to screen mirror or screencast your Google Pixel phone to your TV. So first go to your TV and just make sure this is turned on. So when your TV is turned on, make sure it's connected to the Wi-Fi. Then you can go to your phone and just swipe down from the top right. Go to your Wi-Fi option right here and make sure it's connected to Wi-Fi on your phone and your TV. If you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network, the two should be able to detect each other. Okay? Then on your Google Pixel phone, you should have this option called Screencast right here. If you look at the top buttons, I can just tap this now, and it's given me the different options. It says Screencast to VLC Room TV. So you might need to just wait a few seconds. Here it is. My Google TV is now popping up over here too. I can just tap it. And then we can go to Cast One app or the entire screen. Let's go to that. Go to Cast Entire Screen. And look at your TV now. Your phone should be on there. If you can see, this cast option is on here. And the entire phone is showing up on my TV now. So we can just go to this and disconnect in the future. Now if you're trying to connect to like a Roku or a Fire Stick, the Roku, you might have to download a specific app, or it might just pop up under that screen like I showed you before. And the Fire Stick, I know you have to hold down the home button on your remote, so there will be a home button, and then there should be an option for screen mirroring you specifically have to go to, otherwise it won't natively just show up on here. But you can see my TV's on here and my Google streaming device is on here. So we can do this one now, and we can just see if this one will work. So I have a Google TV, and then I have a Google streamer, and both of them work. So good. So go ahead and just check that out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below.